சார் இதுதான் பார்த்தா விஷயம் இன்னும் ஸ்கோர் பண்ணணும் தேவை அந்த மாதிரி வெளிநாட்டை பார்த்ததில்லை இதுமாரி இவ்வாறு நடந்த விஷயம் really surprised hats up to bro.
This doesn't work because it's non-circular.
We used to wait for the art classes, but then we had chances of very less that we're not able to express our talents. But here, when people have an opportunity, the platform was created only for the so Monfort School or clap initiative in the art expression, all that he is bringing it out from each and everyone, because this is going to be your future. And see how he identified this, and he is feeling this. He's spending his time, he's giving a space for this, and he's doing so much. I think you are really, really lucky to have a school like this, especially.